Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to apply for job, especially technicians. It's just easy. You go on your browser, write IGT TECH COLLEGE.com, any browser, then search. As you see here, we have three options. There is get certificate and apply for job. Here, option 2, apply for job. Click here. Then fill form well. Don't skip any step. Follow all step. Fill out this form very well. First tick here. Scroll down. Enter your first name. First name. Dr. Seth. Dr. Seth. Set your country, for example Uganda. WhatsApp number including country code. Don't forget to enter your country code here. Remember to give us active mobile number. Don't give us inactive. Scroll down. Enter your email address, valid and active. Here, choose your gender, female or male. Scroll down. Then, are you ready to travel to other countries? You can choose yes or no. For me, yes. Scroll down. Select all your skills: web development, cyber security, TV reparation, computer reparation, application development, mobile phone reparation hardware, mobile phone reparation software, radio reparation, and the order. If you have order, write it here. Explain everything. Then scroll down. Let me add something, data analytics. Yes, then scroll down again. Do you have certificate for your skills? You can say yes or no, it depends. If you have it, click on yes. If you don't have, no. Select your language. So here we're going to select your natural language. Which language do you like to use? There is English, Swahili, Ikinyarwanda, and other. So you can tick any language. You choose. For me, I know this all. So you can choose all. If there is a list, put it here. For me, Luganda, Runyankore, Luganda. So you will put here all your language you speak. But if you have only one language, don't worry. You just tick your language or write your language. Then you have to check if everything is well. Let me check if form is filled out well. So the form is okay. So scroll down. Here you can select all if you have these skills, or select one of them, no problem. Okay. So scroll down, click on submit here. Blue button, apply for job. Your response has been recorded. So already submitted, successful. You can't submit it again. It's just once per count. Don't give us more forms. As you see, only one form allowed. You have already responded. You can't fill this form. You can fill this form only once. Try to contact the owner of the form if you think this is a mistake. If you wrote some mistakes, so you have to contact us to allow you to submit form again. Thank you for watching. Visit website. Bye.